12th problem. Find volume, total surface area and the lateral surface area, and the fourth one is length of the diagonal of a cube of side 10 centimeters. Solution given. What is given? Side of a cube. Side of a cube. How much they have given? 10 centimeters. First bit they are asking to find volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. What is the formula? A cube. That is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 centimeter cube. That is equal to 1000 centimeter cube or cubic centimeters also. Second bit they are asking to find the total surface area. The total surface area of a cube. Formula is 6a square. That is equal to 6 into 10 into 10 centimeter square. So 600 centimeter square. 10 tens are 100, 106 are 600. Next third one they are asking to find lateral surface. The lateral surface. The lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square. That is equal to 4 into 10 into 10 centimeter square. That is equal to 400 centimeter square. 400 centimeter square. Now fourth bit they are asking to find the length of the diagonal of a cube. Of a cube. What is the formula? A into root 3. A means 10. 10 into root 3 centimeters. 10 into root 3 value is 1.732 centimeters. When we multiply with 10, 17.32 centimeters. So therefore the diagonal of the cube is 17.32 centimeters. 13th problem. The surface area of a cube is 1536 centimeters square. Find first one the length of its edge, means side of a cube we have to find. Edge means side. Second one, its volume, we have to find the volume. Third one, the volume of its material whose thickness is 5 millimeters. Millimeters they have given. Solution given. What is given means the surface area. The surface area of a cube is equal to 1536 centimeters square. Now, surface area means what I told you, total surface only. Total surface area of a cube. Formula. What is the formula? 6a square. Now compare. 6a square is equal to 1536. A square is equal to 1536 by 6. 6 2s are 12, 3 remaining. 6 5s are 30, 3 remaining. 6 6 are 36. So a square is equal to 256. A is equal to square root of 256. A is equal to 16 centimeters. So therefore we got They told to find length of its edge. Therefore, length of its edge is equal to 16 centimeters. Conclusion: 16 centimeters. Write clearly. Second bit. They are asking to find volume of a cube is equal to a cube. That is called, just now we got 16 as side, 16 into 16 centimeter cube. 16 16s 256 into 16. 6 6 are 36, 3 33 1 256. One more. 6 9 10 1. How much we got means 4096 centimeter cube. Now third one, what they are asking to find? Third one, they are asking the volume of its material, find the volume of its material whose thickness is 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. Now that is equal to, simplify. Already we got volume. How much volume we got? 4000. It's given already total surface area. Total surface area into 5 millimeters. Total surface area. Total surface area of a cube into 5 millimeters into the thickness 1536 into 5 by 10 centimeters, because this is in centimeters. I am converting this also in centimeters. So here centimeter square is there. Better to write units, then you will understand. Total surface area of a cube is given as 1536 centimeters square. 5 millimeters I am changing as 5 by 10 centimeters. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 goes here 2 times, 2 table, 2 sevens are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. So 768. Here centimeter square, here 1 centimeter. Centimeter cube. They told always volume will be in cubic units. So centimeter cube. This is the answer. Write the conclusion. 14th problem. 2 cubes, each of volume 512 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. You can see the figure clearly. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. 2 cubes are joined, it became a cuboid. Volume of each cube they have given 512. So, solution: given volume of each cube is equal to 512 centimeter cube. What is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is equal to a cube. Now a cube is equal to 512. A is equal to cube root 512. Cube root. Now find the factors for 512. 512. 2 table goes. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 2 table. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are. 2 table 64. 2 table 32. 2 table 16. 2 table 8. 2 table 4. 2 table 2 times. For cube root now, for 3 2's 1 2 you can write. A is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. So 8 centimeters. So what is the side or edge? Side of a cube. Side of each cube. Each cube is equal to 8 centimeters. Now 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. How much? 16 centimeters. So therefore length of a cuboid becomes two cubes combination became cuboid. Length of cuboid is equal to 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. How much? 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. Next, breadth will not change, height will not change. Breadth will be same 8 and height also will be 8. Now these two cubes joined became a cuboid. Length of the cuboid is equal to 16 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to, breadth will not change, 8 centimeters. Height of the cuboid, this also will not change, only the length will be changing, 8 centimeters. Now they are asking to find total surface area of cuboid. You know the formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is equal to 2 into 16 into 8 plus 8 into 8 plus 8 into 16 centimeter square. 2 times we are multiplying. 2 into 48, 4. So 128 plus 8 8s are 64. Again 128 centimeter square. Don't forget to write that word centimeter square. Add 2 into 128, 64. 16, 20, 2, 10, 12, 1. 320 centimeter square. Multiply with 2. 640 centimeter square. Write that word. Therefore, the total surface area. Therefore, the surface area of the resulting cuboid is equal to 640 centimeter square. 16th problem. A metal cube of edge 12 centimeters is melted and formed into 3 smaller cubes. If the edges of 2 smaller cubes are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters, find the edge of the third smaller cube. Now they have given solution. Edge or side, the meaning is edge or side of a metal cube. Metal cube is equal to 12 centimeters. Now volume of metal cube is equal to A cube, that is equal to, this is A, 12 into 12 into 12. Here centimeter square by your only centimeters, not square. Here centimeter cube. 12 12s are 144. again into 12. 12 fours are 48. 4. 48 means 52. 2 here 5. 17. So 1728 centimeter cube. This is the volume of metal cube. Now this metal is melted. Melted means and formed into 3 smaller cubes. The big cube is made into 3 different shapes. Same again cube shape only. One is with 6 centimeters edge. Another one is with 8 centimeters. And the third one we have to find. Now, side or edge. Side of first smaller cube. First smaller cube. How much they gave? 6 centimeters they have given. Now find the volume. Volume of first smaller cube is equal to a cube. That is about 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. Don't forget. 6 6 are 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 18 21. So 216 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the first smaller cube. First smaller cube. Now edge or side of second smaller cube. Second smaller cube is equal to 8 centimeters. They have given. Now volume of second smaller cube is equal to a cube. Formula 8 into 8 centimeter cube. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8 32 3 48. So 512 centimeter cube. Now we are going to find volume of the third smaller cube. Third smaller cube. How to find means volume of the metal cube. Metal cube minus volume of first cube plus volume of second cube. This we have to do. Now volume of the first cube, how much we got? 1728 minus of before how much we got? Volume of 216 plus 512. Now that is equal to 1728 minus add 216. Here 8 2 7. 728 centimeter cube. Don't forget centimeter cube. If you subtract, how much you'll get? 1000 you'll get. 1000 centimeter cube. What is this one? Volume of the third smaller cube volume we got 1000 centimeter cube. Now we got volume of third smaller cube. Third smaller cube we got. How much we got? 1000 centimeter cube we got. Now we know the formula for volume of third smaller cube is equal to a cube. So a cube is equal to 1000. A is equal to cube root 1000. Now find factors. 1000 10 table directly you take. 10 goes 100 times. 10 tens are means 10 cube we got. Cube root of 3 cancels, 10 will come. Or for 3 times 1 10. So A is equal to 10 centimeters. Now what they told to find? They told to find the edge of the third. They told to find the edge of the third smaller cube is equal to 10 centimeters. This is the conclusion. This is the way of finding this problem. Edge of the third smaller cube is equal to 10 centimeters. 17th problem. The dimensions of a metallic cuboid are 100 centimeters into 80 centimeters into 64 centimeters. It is melted and recast into a cube. Find first bit the edge of the cube, second one the surface area of cube. So solution given. What they have given is dimensions of a metallic cuboid. Cuboid means we know L into B into H. That only they have given. 100 into 80 into 64 centimeter cube. Multiply. 64 8s are 32 3 48 50. So 512 you write. 1 2 3 3 zeros are there. Centimeter cube. Now this is what? Volume indirectly. Volume of metallic cuboid. Metallic cuboid. Indirectly they give. Direct dimensions they give. Now this volume of a metallic cuboid is equal to volume of a cube because it is melted and recast into a cube. So this volume and that volume both are equal. So volume of a recasted cube, because they melted and recasted no cube shape. Five lakhs 12,000 centimeter cube. Now edge or side both are meaning same. Edge or side of a cube we are going to find. First of all we will write the formula. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube. So a cube is equal to 5 lakhs 12,000. Now 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 2 table 128. 2 table 64. 2 table 32. 2 table 16. 2 table 8. 2 table 4. Again 2 table 2 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 to the power of 9 whole to the power of cube root now 1 by 3. 3 times. 2 cube means 8. So a cube is equal to cube. We want only a because cube is going that side, cube root. A is equal to cube root 5 lakhs 12,000. Now we got 80 because for this 8 and for 3 zeros 1 0. 80 centimeters. What is this one? 80 centimeters means first bit edge of the cube is equal to 80 centimeters. Write that word. Now Therefore, edge of the cube is equal to 80 centimeters we got. They are asking to find surface area. Surface area of the cube. What is the formula? 6a square. 6 into 80 into 80 centimeter square. 8 8s are 64. 64 6. 24 2 36. 384 you write. 2 more zeros. Centimeter square. So 38,400. Therefore, the surface area of the cube is equal to 38,400. Write that word. 18th problem. The square on the diagonal of a cube has an area of 1875 centimeter square. Calculate first bit the side of a cube, second bit the total surface area of a cube. Now here solution. What is given? The square on the diagonal of a cube is equal to, how much they have given? 1875 centimeter square they have given. What is the formula for a diagonal of a cube? Root 3 into a. This is square. The square is equal to 1875. Now root 3 into root 3, 3 into a square is equal to 1875. This square is for both. Now a square is equal to 1875 by 3. 3 goes, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So a square is equal to 625. We want a. A is equal to square root of 625. 625. What is the square root of 625? A is equal to 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. Now we got edge of a cube. Now next we are going to find total surface area of a cube. Now we got side of a cube. We got side of a cube is equal to 25 centimeters. Now they are asking to find surface area. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. 6 into 25 into 25 centimeter square. 6 into 25, 25, 625 centimeter square. 625 into 6, 33, 15, 18, 1, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1, 36 plus 1, 37, 3750 centimeter square. Write the conclusion. Therefore, surface area of a cube is equal to 3750. 20th problem. The diagonal of a cube is 16 root 3 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. So solution given, what they have given means diagonal of a cube. How much they have given? 16 root 3 centimeters. And what is the formula for diagonal of a cube? A root 3. This is the formula. Now compare. A root 3 is equal to 16 root 3. root 3 cancel. A is equal to 16 centimeters we got. Now they are asking to find first bit surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. 6 into 16 into 16 centimeters square. 16 16s 256 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 33, again 3 12 15. So 1536 centimeters square. Now they are asking to find volume also. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to A into A into A, or directly write A cube. What's the meaning of A cube? Means A into A into A. That is equal to 16 into 16 into 16 centimeter cube. 16 16s 256 into 16. Multiply 6 6 are 36. Just now we got. And again 256. Add 6 9 10. So how much we got means 4096 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Therefore the volume of the cube is equal to 4096 centimeter cube.